435 between mile marker 0 and 13, in between mile markers 76 and 83. Kansas Turnpike between mile markers 206 and 226. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. for the following counties in Kansas: Johnson, Leavenworth, Lynn, Miami, and Wyandotte. The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wyandotte County in northeastern Kansas, Miami County, northern Lynn County, Kansas, southwestern Leavenworth County in northeastern Kansas, Johnson County, Kansas, Cass County, northwestern Bates County, Jackson County, until 1:30 a.m. At 12:48 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lewisburg, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Kansas City, Overland Park, Olathe, Independence, Lee's Summit, Shawnee, Blue Springs, Lenexa, Leewood, Raytown, Grandview, Belton, Prairie Village, Raymore, Gardner, Merriam, Harrisonville, Mission, Pleasant Hill, and Bonner Springs. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Missouri between mile marker 0 and 22. Interstate 70 in Kansas between mile markers 410 and 423. Interstate 35 in Missouri between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 35 in Kansas between mile markers 200 and 235. Interstate 635 between mile marker 0 and 6. Interstate 470 between mile marker 0 and 16. Interstate 435 between mile marker 0 and 14, in between mile markers 58 and 83. Kansas Turnpike between mile markers 206 and 226. Interstate 49 between mile markers 130 and 183. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.